What's going on, guys? We're back at it again. So this episode, we're going to show you how to cut out a electrical box in your tile. I kind of started a little bit, but we're going to go back to the steps and then I'm going to show you how it's done. All right, guys, so here's the problem. So there was a tile here that they took out because the electrical box had to move up. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to measure the size tile I need, which I got here 21 1/4, which I already cut. So I got here, you can see it, bring closer, a little under 21 1/4. Okay, so I got that cut out. So now we're going to match it up. It's a little bigger, right? It's not going to just fit flush. Well, what I got here, 7.5 from the countertop to the top of the aluminum finish. Let's say 7.5. I need 7 3/4. What I have here is a little bit bigger than 7.5. So what I'm gonna have to do is trim it down to 7 3/8. Mark my line here. Uh-oh. Don't get ahead of yourself. Don't get ahead of yourself. So you got that line there. Line up here. Okay, so we'll cut that out, but also need to cut out a box for my outlet. So how I do it is, I bring my towel up here where I know it's going to fit, and I mark my lines. So I mark my lines in between the box, right? Got my lines. Same way, I mark my lines. Then I come back, use my square. I made my lines here and I made my lines here. So I go here, come down, come back over here to the side, make my lines all the way across, make my lines all the way across. I got my box. So let's go ahead and cut this stuff out and I'll show you how to put it on. All I'm gonna do is go a straight line down, get that, and then I'm gonna do my box, okay? All right, guys, there you have it. All we gotta do now is glue it and grout it, but that's how it look. And then once they finish off the countertops with the backsplash, that's how it look. They gotta notch this out, but that's your basic look there. Let's glue it. All right, guys, that's how it's done. And there you have it. I have these up here holding it still because you know the towel is sliding down a little. there you guys have it. That's how you cut around electrical box. Well, not electrical box, but electrical outlet. So, as always, thank you for watching my videos. Share, like, comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me to go to hell. As always, stay blessed and stay safe. Love y'all.